Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Glitch Guru to show your support. First, open your Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, tap on Profile Settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Safety section. Tap on Restricted Accounts to view the list of restricted people. Here you'll see a list of people you've restricted. Find the person you want to unrestrict and tap on their name. Finally, tap on Unrestrict to remove the restriction. You'll get a confirmation message that the person has been unrestricted and you can now chat with them again. And that's it. You've successfully unrestricted someone on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.